Indonesia, officially the Republic of Indonesia, is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It consists of over 17,000 islands. With over 280 million people, Indonesia is the world's fourth most populous country and the most populous Muslim majority country. Java, the world's most populous island, is home to more than half of the country's population.
The country's largest city, Jakarta, is the world's second most populous urban area. Indonesia shares land borders with Papua New Guinea, East Timor, and the eastern parts of Malaysia, as well as maritime borders with Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines.
Nusa Penida is an island located near the southeastern Indonesian island of Bali, which forms a district of the same name in Kelungkung Regency. The Badung Strait separates the island and Bali. The interior of Nusa Penida is hilly with a maximum altitude of 524 meters. Brahma Vihara Arama, also known as Vihara Buddha Banjar, due to its location in the Banjar district of Buleleng, is a Buddhist temple and monastery in the mountains near Lovina in North Bali, Indonesia.
Prambanan is a 9th century Hindu temple compound in the special region of Yogyakarta in southern Java, Indonesia, dedicated to the Trimurti, the expression of God as the creator, Brahma, the preserver Vishnu, and the destroyer Shiva.
Each Indonesian subculture has its own distinct form of traditional vernacular houses known as rumah adat. The concept of this architecture is based on the traditional beliefs and values upheld by the local society. There is no architect or designer to help them build the rumah adat. Some of the famous temples in Indonesia are as shown in the pictures.
The famous tourist attraction of Indonesia, the Bali Swing.
The present-day culture of Indonesia is an outcome of the interplay of age-old traditions from the time of early migrants and the Western thought brought by Portuguese traders and Dutch colonists. The concept of mutual assistance or gotong royong and constellations or musyawarah to arrive at a consensus of mufakat. Indonesian art forms are greatly influenced by religion. The famous dance dramas of Java and Bali are derived from Hindu mythology and often feature fragments from the Hindu epics such as Ramayana and Mahabharata. The famous art form batik, which is an art of wax resist dyeing which creates intricate motifs, was elevated as a national art form, which transcends Indonesian ethnic groups, numbers of patterns and motifs.
So now let us explore the cuisine of Indonesia. Indonesian traditional meals usually consist of steamed rice as staple, surrounded by vegetables and soup, and meat or fish as side dishes.